Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can find your messenger ID. So I'm going to teach you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you're going to do is you're going to be going to your messenger app. And once you get there, just log in with your account and do everything, and you'll be over here in this particular platform. So as you want to find your messenger ID, you're going to be going to top left corner where you find the three lines. Just go over there and go to settings, and once you are over here, you'll be having this username option. Just go over here and then just copy your link from here, and then you can find your messenger ID anywhere as you paste the link that is copied. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.